China's first home-built aircraft carrier is right behind me at Dalian shipyard. Over the past few days, we have seen scaffolding and the cranes around the carrier have been removed. The ship was being painted in grey, the official color for the PLA naval fleet, and the red flags have been placed all over the carrier. We've also heard the army band running rehearsals for the launch ceremony. And this morning, the tugboats are all on standby. So all this indicate one thing: the giant ship is ready to hit the water at any time from now on. Obviously, in the shipbuilding industry, measuring tides and currents is an essential part of getting the large ships into the water, safely into the water. So for a ship like this size, the date and the time of the launch must be carefully calculated. Military enthusiasts on China's social media were predicting that the time when the next astronomical tide occurs in Dalian will be ideal for the new aircraft carrier to set sail in the sea. And after the launch today, it will still take a few years' time for the new aircraft carrier to enter full service, including 1 to 2 years to train the carrier-based pilots, as well as coordinating with other ships to form a real aircraft carrier fleet. And experts said this new aircraft carrier will fully join the PLA Navy in about 2020. Mike.
Guanyang, this is China's second aircraft carrier. Tell us a little bit more about its construction and the differences between this one that's right behind you and the Liaoning, the first carrier.
Yes, it looks similar to the Soviet design aircraft carrier Liaoning, but it has the layout, the equipment, as well as the overall functional concept are well advanced. For instance, this new aircraft carrier has a much bigger hangar, which allows more J-15 fighter jets and more space on the deck for helicopters and other aircrafts. Now, the key difference between this new aircraft carrier and the Liaoning is that it will provide the crew members with a much more comfortable and a modern environment. And also the flight deck has been rearranged to fit more weapons and sensors. This combined with the enlarged hangar will allow the carrier to stow 6 to 8 more fighter jets than the Liaoning can stow. So so as we can see, the launch of the aircraft is taking place today. It will still take a few years' time before the new aircraft carrier can enter full service. And having said that, it will be a milestone for the Chinese military and for its Navy as well.